If you want to turn off your camera shutter sound, it's quite easy to do. First of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to find our sound and vibration tab. Now find your system sound, open it up, and to have our camera shutter sound turned off, simply turn off your system sound volume. Now, if we're gonna try and take a picture, we won't hear any sound. However, our notifications will remain sound, and it's quite important. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.